Now we have learned about the goodness of the product. Nakita natin it's scientifically proven, and there are actually people who are already taking the product and who benefited from taking the product. And also we have learned that the company is a very stable company, very solid, and very credible. Now let's find out, ano ba yung sinasabi nating Akuna business? Ano ba yung negosyo na hatid ng Akuna na sinasabi nga na affordable ready-made business? There are actually 6 ways to earn income here in Akuna. We have the retail bonus, differential bonus, fast start bonus, active leader bonus, level bonus, and infinity bonus. Now all of these bonuses translates to different levels of income. As a leader, you can earn more than 20,000 a month by just selling bottles and earning from retail profit. Now when your business grows and you have more business partners, pwede kang kumita as much as 40,000 a month. And as your business grows, by becoming a regional network director, you can earn more than 100,000 a month. National Network Director, more than 200,000 a month. International Network Director, 400,000 a month. And Vice President, more than 1 million a month. So as I've said earlier, unlimited ang pwede mong kitain dito sa negosyo na to. It will all depend on the time, energy, commitment na ilalagay mo dito sa negosyo na to. Mas malaki yung commitment mo dito, mas malaki yung trabaho mo, mas malaki yung kita mo. Now, how do we make our income grow? First, we have to start by becoming a leader. Now, the question is, how do you become a leader? Now, there are faster ways to become a leader. We call this the ready-made business package. So, lahat na ng kailangan mo, ipoprovide na sa'yo, including the products, the business tools, and the global business license. Now, we have different packages from startup package, silver package, and the gold package. Nag-iiba lang yan sa number of bottles that you have in your package. So for the startup package, you have 8 bottles. Your investment is 9,540. For the silver package, you have 16 bottles. Your investment is 22,480. While for the gold package, you have 28 bottles and your investment is 36,240. Now, part of your investment is you get the ready-made business package. It already includes the business tools, lahat ng kailangan mo sa pagsisimula ng negosyo, kasama na dun sa ininvest mo. Like the presentation materials, registration forms, banners, flip charts, brochures, and many more. Also, kasama dyan is yung global business license. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas ka pwede magnegosyo. Even in other countries where Akuna is present, pwede mo rin gawin yung negosyo. Also, we have what we call the Akuna Business Building System na guide mo or training and education para matutunan mo kung paano gawin yung negosyo. And more than that, we have technical and marketing support from an excellent corporate support system dedicated to you and your success. Now, let's discuss the different ways to become a leader. First, let's discuss the startup package. Sa startup package, nakakapagsimula ka na ng negosyo pero hindi ka pa leader. Remember, all you have to do is accumulate 700 points. Now, ang startup package is just 70 points. Now, with your startup package, yung 9,540 mo, it already includes the registration fee of 1,500. Included na dyan yung 20% discount mo, and now you have the opportunity to earn the retail bonus and fast start bonus. Again, the startup package is just 70 points. Your investment, 9,540. In your investment, you already have 8 small bottles discounted at 20% discount. So pag binenta mo yung 8 bottles, you earn a retail income of 1,760. Pero maganda dito, nagagawa mo na yung negosyo because every startup package na ma-sponsor mo sa business, that entitles you to 500 fast start bonus. Plus, yung points nung na-sponsor mo, kung startup package yan, the 70 points will also be credited to you. Okay? Now, kapag ang na-sponsor mo naman ay silver package, that's equivalent to 300 points, mas marami yung produktong binili niya, mas malaki din ang commission mo. That's equivalent to 1,200 pesos fast start bonus. Now, kung gold package naman ang na-sponsor mo, the gold package is equivalent to 500 points, mas marami siyang produktong binili, so ang commission mo mas malaki din. That's equivalent to 2,000 pesos fast start bonus.
And remember, lahat ng mga points nila makikredit din sa'yo. So if you add them up, that's 70 na binili mo, 70 points na startup, 300 points na silver package, and 500 points na gold package. Pag tinotal mo yan, it would be equivalent to 940 points. Ilan lang ang kailangan mo para maging leader? 700 points. Since mas marami yung na-accumulate mong points sa 700 points, within 60 days kung nagawa mo yan, automatically mapopromote kang leader. And by the way, the fast start bonus is paid up to 3 levels. Now for the silver package, you have 16 bottles and your investment is 22,480 pesos. Ang maganda nito, free na yung registration mo. Hindi mo na kailangang bayaran yung 1,500 and automatically you get the 20% discount. And you have the opportunity to earn the retail and fast start bonus. Ang silver package is 300 points. Ang investment mo, 22,480. At kapag binenta mo yung 16 bottles na kasama dun sa silver package mo, you will earn a retail income of 5,120. At kapag may na-sponsor ka rin, na katulad mo na nag-silver package din, yung mga points nila makikredit sa'yo, plus mag-earn ka pa ng fast start bonus for every silver package. So yung points nila, 300, 300, 300, magiging 900 points more than the 700 point requirement para maging leader. So, within 60 days nagawa mo to, you will be promoted as a leader. Another scenario, silver package ka, may na-sponsor kang gold package, yung points nila akyat sa'yo, plus you also earn the fast start bonus of 2,000 pesos. Yung nag-silver package, magiging leader, and yung gold package, ang maganda sa gold package, automatic na po-promote siya as a leader. And that's why we recommend the gold package. Because a gold package, you get 28 bottles discounted at 20% discount. So that's 36,240 investment. Free na yung registration. So hindi mo na kailangang mag-sponsor because yung gold package mo automatically promotes you as a leader. Now, yung 28 bottles mo, pag binenta mo lahat yon, you will get a retail income of 8,560. At ang sabi ko nga sa inyo, automatically promoted ka ng leader. Ano bang benefits na makukuha ng isang leader? As I've said earlier, you will get 30% lifetime product discount. So this is equivalent to 330 pesos discount for the small bottle and 630% discount for the big bottle. Plus, makakakuha ka na ng personal accident insurance up to 500,000 and medical reimbursement up to 25,000 provided by Chartis. Also, you will receive a GCash Power Pay Plus kit wherein dito namin dinideposit yung inyong mga monthly commissions which we give out twice a month. Also, meron din tayong mga perks and privileges from our partners like Vistaland, Ford, Healthway, and also on top of your bonus commission, meron din kaming mga rewards program. An opportunity for you to travel all expense paid, an opportunity for you to own your brand new car. So all of this when you become a leader.
Plus, if you sign up with the gold package, you'll be entitled to receive a raffle coupon. Now, this raffle coupon, you could participate in our annual grand prize of Ford Escape. Also, you are entitled to participate in our monthly raffle prizes wherein we give away gadgets such as laptop, netbooks, and iPads. Now, we've just discussed what you can get out of your investment. Now, here's the most exciting part. We're going to discuss how you make money with the Akuna business. With our investment na 35,600, you'll get 20 bottles of Alveo. And remember, yung 20 bottles of Alveo mo, ang discount mo per bottle is 420. So 420 times 20 bottles, that's equivalent to 8,400. Yun yung nagiging retail profit mo. Now, anong mangyayari? Let's say may mga gustong magnegosyo din ng katulad ng ginagawa mo. So every time na may na-encourage ka na magsimula ng gold package, okay, yung nag-gold package sa'yo, kung ano yung nakuha mo, yun din yung makukuha nila. Meron din silang mga tig to 20 bottles. So meron din silang retail income na 8,400. Okay, so for every gold package na ma-sponsor mo dito sa business, ang kikitain mo sa kanila is meron kang tinatawag na differential bonus of 3,000 pesos plus the fast start bonus of 2,000 pesos. So walang limit yan. So ulitin ko po, for every gold package na ma-encourage mo, ma-sponsor mo to dito sa business, kikita ka ng differential bonus of 3,000 plus a fast start bonus of 2,000. So in summary, for every gold package that you sponsor in this business, you will earn 5,000 pesos. Na walang limit yan. Pwedeng 5, pwedeng 10, or even 15. Walang limit as to how many you can sponsor directly into this business. And just to give you an idea, kung 10 yung na-sponsor mo, times 5,000, that's already equivalent to 50,000. So yun yung tinatawag nating active income. Now with your active income, every time may sponsor ka, may kita ka. Also, you could earn income from the production of those people you have directly sponsored into the business by training them and helping them to grow their business. Now what happens kapag sila nag-sponsor din sila? Ito na yung mga contacts nila, hindi mo na sila kakilala. Okay? So may 3 gold package na pumasok dun sa leader mo. So dito, siya din, for every gold package na na-sponsor niya, kikita siya ng tig pa 5,000. Pupunta yan dun sa leader mo. Pero dahil ikaw ang nag-sponsor sa kanya, ikaw ang tumulong sa kanya, at ikaw ang nag-train sa kanya, ikaw meron kang minimum na 1,000 for every gold package ng leader mo. Kanino pupunta yan ulit? Sa'yo yan pupunta. So naging 26,400 na. So ulitin natin ha. For every gold package ng leader mo, yung leader mo meron siyang 5,000 at ikaw meron kang 1,000. Now, bakit unlimited income potential? Kasi let's say, yung isang na-sponsor mo is masipag, fully committed dito sa business, at saka pinaglalaanan niya ng oras itong negosyo na to. So let's say, nagsimula siya sa 3, and then yung 3 na yon, nagdumami ng dumami hanggang sa naging 106 gold packages. Etong leader mo na to na masipag, kikita siya ng 118,000. Okay, sa kanya pupunta yon. Pero remember, for every gold package ng leader mo, meron kang 1,000. So that's 106 times 1,000 pesos. That's equivalent to 106,000. Sa'yo ngayon yan pupunta. So yun yung maganda dito sa business, na habang tinutulungan mo sila, habang lumalaki din yung negosyo nila, ikaw patuloy ka pa ring kumikita. Iisipin ba nila niloko mo sila? Hindi, kasi lahat sila kumikita at ikaw din kumikita. Yun yung kagandahan nitong business na to. Kasi ang goal natin is matulungan silang lumaki, kasi alam mo, pag lumaki sila, lalaki ka rin. So how do you grow your Akuna business? Actually, we just have a simple concept. Okay? Now, the abbreviation of this is GAS, G-A-S. Just like in our car, para tumakbo yung ating sasakyan, kailangan natin ng gas. Same is true with our business. In order for us to grow our business, we need gas. And what is this gas? First, it starts with a gold package, because this is your business license. This is where you start the business. Because if you don't have your gold package, ano yung business na sisimulan mo? So this is very important, that in order for you to start the business, meron ka ng package na sisimulan. So this is your business license. And after you get your gold package, we don't encourage you na kumakausap ka agad ng ibang tao. Because just like the big franchises, the first thing that you need to do is to attend trainings. Why you need to attend trainings? Is for you to learn the system. Because when you learn the system, mas madali mo nang gawin yung negosyo. Dahil itinuturo namin dito kung ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin sa negosyo. Because this is actually a product of those people who have already been successful in this business. Now, all of the things that they learned in doing this business is itinuturo po namin sa aming mga business partners. And now, once you are equipped, once you know how to do this business, that is the time that we share the business. This is the only thing that we do here. We just give information and we just teach you how you can start your own business. But at the end of the day, it will be your decision. You will be the one to decide whether you like this business or not. So this is very important in this business. The simplest concept, but I tell you, this entails work. But the good thing about this business is it is based on smart work. Because you don't have to do this for a lifetime. You just need to spend a couple of years in building your network, in teaching people to start their own business. And once they learn to start their own business, that's the time that you could earn passive income from this business. Now let me just leave you with one last thought. What's your plan for your future? What's your plan for your family's future? In Akuna, we encourage people to start their own business to make a difference in their life. Partner with us, and together, let's make a difference.